Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to work with the blending mode in Photoshop. Actually the blending mode is really fun in Photoshop. If you understand the blending mode properly, you can create a stunning and amazing effect in Photoshop within a few seconds. I'll try to explain the blending mode, how it works. Let's begin. I already opened a background image, and in another document I have a gradient image. I will show you how blending option works. Actually the blending option is interaction between two layers. So I have taken the gradient background on the main background. Maybe we can rename this gradient layer gradient. So once we put the gradient on the background, the blending option is normal. This is the blending mode area. So if we apply the darken, you see the result, and if we apply the multiply, see the result. By hiding the gradient layer, you can see the original position, and showing the gradient layer, you can see how it looks like after applying the multiply blending mode. Now we can apply all other blending mode like color burn, linear burn, darker color, light, screen, color dose, linear dose, lighter color, overlay. So there are a lot of blending options over there. You can try all of them. Maybe you can take different photo and gradient and any other special effect. You can apply rest of the blending option and experiment which is look good for you and which is fit best for you. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.